My name is Ngobi Julius, a teacher at Masesidi Senior Secondary School, Jinja City. Today, I will explain the SAMR model. The SAMR model helps you to reflect on how technology changes your teaching activities from simple replacement to completely new learning experiences. It is not a step-by-step rulebook, but a thinking tool to help you understand how deeply technology impacts learning. The first two levels help improve existing practices, while the higher levels invite you to transform teaching and learning. Substitution, that is the first letter in SAMR model. This one, technology, replaces a traditional tool with no real change in function. For example, reading an article on a phone or computer instead of on paper, typing an essay instead of writing it by hand. Augmentation. Technology replaces a tool but adds useful improvements. Example, an online quiz that gives instant feedback, or a digital essay with spell check and comments that make feedback faster and more specific, especially helpful in large classes. Modification. Modification technology allows meaningful redesign of a task. For example, students work together in real time on a shared document or presentation, collaborating despite busy schedules and adding images or graphs. Redefinition. Technology enables new tasks that were previously impossible. Example, using flipped classroom approaches where students watch video before class and use lesson time for discussion, or creating and sharing digital products like blogs, apps, or websites and receiving feedback beyond the classroom. Thank you for listening to this recording and enjoy applying it into practice. Good luck for your enrollment.
Yo.